In this example, we are asked to complete the table using the graph. So as we know, each point on this graph can be put into an x, y coordinate, where the x is our left to right movement from the origin and the y is our up and down movement from the origin. So when I'm looking at this first coordinate point here, we're missing our x value, but I do know the y value. So I'm going to go to where y is 4. So I'm going to start at the origin, just go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right there, actually, on the y-axis is where this graph, this line, touches y equals 4. So then my x-coordinate here would be 0. So I'm going to fill in this table with a 0. The next point asks us to find the y-coordinate when x is 1. So I'm going to move along the x-axis to where x is 1, and then look anywhere up and down that point, or that line, until I find the point where x would be 1. And here, it is 1, 3. So I'm going to fill in a 3 in my table. And the last point that we need to find here is where y is 2. So I'm going to, again, I like to use the origin, but I'm going to go up to where y is 2. And so anywhere along this line right here is where y would be 2. And I can see that this graph cuts through right here. And that's going to be the point 2. 2, because we're 2 spaces to the right of the origin. And so I'm going to fill in my table with a 2. So now my table is complete.